this is the level 9. In this level, we learn revolve surface and sweep surface. Okay, let's start. Just choose front plane and click sketch. Now go to this line and click center line. Sketch center line with this origin point and click OK and right click. And again go to this line and sketch line this point to this and this point to this and this point to this and click select OK. Now go to surface and click revolve surface. Now see, it is revolved. It is automatically revolved. Just axis of revolution. This is our axis. This is our axis. Just see, just cancel it. Clear this. Then click this axis. This is our axis line. And select OK. Now see, our revolve surface is created. Now you can check as a section view. Just click and choose this plane. You can check on this any plane. You will choose this. Okay, in any way you can choose and just click OK. Now see, this is the revolve boss surface. It is already created as a surface, so it is the hollow. Okay, and click this. Okay, now we will learn sweep surface. Just again click this front plane and click sketch. Now you you can move it little big size. Okay, just go to this spline and sketch a spline on this origin point. Just this and this and this. Right click and select OK. Just go to surface and click sweep surface and choose this circular profile, and this is our circular profile. Just click on this line and you can change the dimension up 20. It has been 20, or this 30. Just see, it has been 30 as a sweep surface. Now click OK. Now see, it is created as a surface, swept surface. You can check it. Now see, it is the hollow. Yeah, it is created only surface. Yeah, okay. If you want to save this, just you will go to this save option and click this save as and click this file name. Just I will save it level 9, and you can save with this any file. Okay, just we will save fart sldp. Yes, and click this save. Asking confirm save as level 9. This, do you want to reply it? Because already created as a file, that's why it is asking. Just click yes. Yeah, it has been saved. Just if you want to move this, you will go to this rotate view, click here and just rotate it. Okay, thank you for watching. in this level.